So for this next question, it's asking us to essentially fill out a proof. So it's given to us that P is the midpoint of both line MR and NQ. So essentially we're trying to prove that triangle MNP is congruent to triangle RQP. So we're gonna have to fill in the missing statements and reasons, knowing that this triangle has a pair of congruent sides along with one pair of vertical angles. So it starts off by giving us P is, for our statements, that P is the midpoint of both MR and NQ. Well, it says that that's given, so that could easily go in as given for our reasons. Then it says line MP is congruent or equal to line PR, and line OP is equal to line PN. Now we know that because a midpoint forms two equal segments. So we could write a definition of a midpoint, but I'm going to write it out. A midpoint separates a segment into two equal segments. Now, that next one, they kind of leave us hanging. They don't give us anything, but we can say that this pair of vertical angles are congruent due to the fact that these two lines intersect. So therefore we know that this pair of vertical angles are congruent. So we can say angle QPR is congruent to angle MPN. Then for our reasons, we can say if two lines intersect, the pair of vertical angles are congruent. All we're left to prove is that these two triangles are congruent. So for our statement, we can say triangle MNP is congruent to triangle RQP. And then for our reasonings, we can see that it's side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side.